Today we want to learn how wildcards work with advanced filters. So first of all, we have to remember that asterisk replace any text string, even empty one. Then the question mark replace any single character, and at the end of our list we have tilde that disable wildcards. We will learn about this at the end of our video. So let's start with finding red, product red. So we have to select one cell of in our data, then go to data tab, advanced filters, and we will be copying our results to another location. List is set correctly, so criteria, header, and criteria condition benefit, and we will copy it to cell C4, and we can now press OK. So in advanced filters we don't have simple condition with text. It's not equal condition, it starts with. So we have here red because we choose just red word, but on advanced filters choose every cell that starts with red. If we want exactly this word, we have to write something like single quote equal and the word we are interested in. So let's write another advanced filter. So we can now go advanced filters, and we have changed something. So copy to another location, list range is okay. We have to change criteria, and we have to copy in another location, and this time C9, and we can press OK. Now we have just dragonfly. Even so, we have 3 cells that starts with dragonfly. So we write single quote equal and the word we are interested in to find just this word, not cells that starts with this word. Okay, now let's add some asterisk. We write asterisk at the start of B2, but we have to remember it's always going this way, starts with. So we are working with wildcards, but also the criteria is starts with. So something like asterisk with asterisk at the end in this situation. So data tab, advanced filters, copy to another location, criteria changing for this, and we copy to C12 cell and can press OK. So this time B2 can be at the end of our cell at the start, or can be even in the middle of the sentence. Okay, now let's work with question marks. Question marks represented just one sign. So we have ants and their sizes, right, like this, and one question mark means one sign. It can be digit, it can be letter, and even other signs, but just one. So and 6, 10 cannot be, don't match this criteria because it's too many signs. So when we filter, advanced filter, copy to criteria here and copy to C16, okay, we will find at 2, 3 millimeters and 4, 5 millimeters, but not 6, 10 millimeters, because we are looking just one sign. And at the end we want to learn about tilde. So we want to find exactly word asterisk and end, and this word is at the end of our list. And if we put just asterisk and Microsoft Excel would find any and. Doesn't matter on which position where the and word is, but we want exactly this, so we have to add tilde to turn off asterisks as a wildcard. So once again, data tab, advanced filters, copy to changing criteria, so header and criteria, and we are going to copy it to C21 and okay. We Excel find for us just one and with asterisk at the start because we turn off wildcards.